If your WordPress site is slow, breaks often, or keeps costing you extra money every month, this video might save you hundreds of dollars. Today, I'm reviewing WP ProHost, a hosting platform built specifically for marketers, affiliates, and website owners who want speed, stability, and profits without tech headaches. Make sure you watch till the end because I'm also giving away a large bonus stack that's only available through the link below. Let me be direct. WP ProHost is not just hosting. It's a marketing-ready WordPress environment designed to help you launch, rank, and monetize sites faster. If you're tired of shared hosting limits, slow load times, or paying monthly fees forever, this is a solid option, especially when paired with the upgrades and bonuses. So what exactly is WP ProHost? WP ProHost is a WordPress-focused hosting solution that gives you fast servers, optimized WordPress setup, built-in tools for marketers, no complicated configuration. This is perfect for affiliate marketers, bloggers, niche site builders, local business site creators, anyone running WordPress who wants better speed and uptime. The biggest objection it solves is simple. I don't want to deal with tech, hosting issues, or monthly fees. WP ProHost is built to remove that friction. Once you log in, you land on a clean dashboard. From here, you can create and manage WordPress sites, deploy sites quickly without manual setup, monitor performance and usage, access built-in tools designed for marketers. Everything is laid out clearly, so even beginners won't feel lost. You don't need cPanel knowledge, you don't need server experience. You just click, deploy, and start working on content or offers. This is especially useful if you manage multiple sites or client projects.
Imagine being able to host unlimited WordPress websites and unlimited domains with faster loading speed for lifetime at an unbeatable one-time price. Welcome to WP ProHost. WP ProHost allows you to enjoy host unlimited WordPress websites and unlimited domains for lifetime. Blazing fast websites and 20x faster experience than ever before. Free SSL certificate and highly secured hosting. Easy-to-use control panel. One-click WordPress installation. Unlimited bandwidth and unlimited personalized emails. 100% uptime and automated daily backup. 100% cloud-based and SSD server helps you get faster loading speed. Newbie-friendly and easy-to-use software. With all of this, you will get a one-time fee for lifetime. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on expensive, subscription-based hosting and domain platforms when you can host unlimited WordPress websites and domains on ultra-fast servers with a one-time fee only. Now host all your websites and domains in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log into our secure web-based server and add your domain names. Step 2. Choose your preferred services you need. Step 3. Access and control your WordPress websites from anywhere. Now you can finally stop paying the hectic monthly fee to the old-school hosting and file storage companies. It is only available for a limited period of time only. So, hurry and grab your copy soon. So the conclusion is this. WP ProHost saves you thousands of dollars in hosting fees every year for lifetime, while getting the better, faster, and more customer-friendly services than any other competitors. The value that you are getting, it's fair to charge $100 per month. The best part is there is no monthly fee either. We are making it affordable for anyone to host unlimited websites at just $17 for lifetime. But hold on, that is not everything. We are also offering 10 fast action bonuses that help you get the best results with WP ProHost. Remember, you are covered with a 30 days money-back guarantee. So, it is totally risk-free and 100% money-back guarantee for you. Price increases every hour. So click the below button and secure your copy now at a low one-time fee.
WP ProHost comes with optional upgrades. These are not mandatory, but they do add serious value. Here's a quick breakdown. OTO 1, $37. Expands features and removes basic limits. OTO 2, $97. Advanced tools and higher capacity for serious users. OTO 3, $47. marketing-focused enhancements. OTO 4, $37, additional performance or usability upgrades. OTO 5, $27, extra tools for automation or scaling. OTO 6, $47, more control and flexibility. OTO 7, $37, agency or advanced usage features. OTO 8, $697, high-level package for power users and agencies. You can start small and upgrade only if you need more. Now, this is important. If you grab WP ProHost using the link below, you also get my exclusive bonus stock designed to help you actually make money with your hosting. Here are just some of the bonuses you'll receive. Bonus 1, WP Speed Optimization Toolkit. Improve load time and reduce bounce rate. Bonus 2, high-converting landing page templates. Launch pages fast without design skills. Bonus 3, Keyword Research Toolkit. Find profitable keywords for blogs and niche sites. Bonus 4, Affiliate Funnel Blueprint. Step-by-step funnel structure that converts visitors into commissions from day one. Bonus 6, Email List Building Starter Kit. Turn traffic into subscribers from day one. Bonus 7, On-Page SEO Checklist. Optimize WordPress pages the right way. Bonus 8, Traffic Automation Training. Learn how to get consistent traffic without paid ads. Bonus 9, Conversion Rate Optimization Guide. Small tweaks that increase sales without more traffic. Bonus 10, Website Monetization Playbook. Multiple ways to earn from each site you build. These bonuses alone can replace several paid tools. And remember, you only get them if you use the link below. Here's the bottom line. WP ProHost gives you the foundation. The upgrades give you scale. The bonuses give you execution. This is a strong setup if you're serious about WordPress, affiliate marketing, or online income. The bonus stack is limited, and once it's gone, it's gone. So if you're watching this later, don't assume it's still available. Click the link below now to lock everything in. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if you have questions. To get WP ProHost plus all bonuses, use the first link in the description. After purchase, you'll receive instructions on how to access everything. Take action now, and I'll see you on the inside.